Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome back everybody, let's take a look at the cryptocurrencies. So in the beginning of the video I just would like to announce the release of our new fundamental report for the cryptocurrencies, where we take a look at the fundamental background of the current situation. Actually guys, it's nothing to be happy with, and we suggest that Bitcoin has the big chance to drop more, and currently the vast majority of the traders are watching for the 20,000 levels, just because there stands 200-day moving average level, which seems important for the market. But by our opinion, the drop might be even more significant somewhere in an area of the 11, 12. It's just because the big problems of the stock market has started. We expect that the S&P index could drop 2 times, somewhere to the 2,000 and 1,500 level, which means that the Bitcoin should be a bit ahead of the S&P, because the S&P is more conservative, including a lot of blue chips, while the cryptocurrencies is now treating as just the source of the liquidity. And all liquidity will be dried out first from the cryptocurrencies. You already see that stable coins have big problems, even for the default of the Luna, of the other stable coins. So NFT markets just significantly contracting. So previously it was a big valley where there just was put additional liquidity that was printed by the Fed Reserve and other central banks. Now it's time come where this liquidity should be dried out. And actually with the other issues on the fundamental issues in the United States economy, we suggest that Bitcoin currently stands as just temporal relief of the stock market. So after the 20% collapse, market could show the pullback maybe for the 3-5%. But later, this will be next extension down, and that's actually makes impact on the Bitcoin, because as you know, correlation with the stock market right now stands about 90%. So that's about the long-term perspective. Those who are interested with this, with the fundamental background, you could read the fundamental report in the forum. So on the technical side, in the short term, we also see some bearish signs. First of all, today guys, be aware of the release of the gross domestic product. Although it is widely anticipated positive numbers, we suggest that the risk of the negative number stands very high, because previous gross domestic product also was expected in a positive way, but it was negative. And based on the fundamental background that we have, this time chance this will be negative again is really significant. If this happens, this will be a negative surprise in the market, and a collapse on the stocks might happen even today. Be aware of that. From the technical point of view, we have some bearish signs. First of all, the pennant pattern that we discussed last time, it's bearish. It's because it stands after significant sell-off, and it's bearish continuation. And here we have some signs of the bearish dynamic pressure, because market stands flat while MACD is moving higher. This suggests taking out of these lows. So from that standpoint, even by looking at the daily chart, we're not really fascinating and taking any long position by far. On the lower time frames, we also have some bearish moments. First of all, on the follow time frame chart, take a look. Last time we discussed that it might be, if market will form the butterfly, and this will be logical, it's just because to complete of this ABCD pattern minor 618 target. But somehow we said that maybe market will form at least triple to sell, just because this action is very slow and choppy, and it carries no signs of the acceleration, which makes minimal chances to complete the butterfly. But take a look what really has happened. Market was not able even to complete the minor ABCD pattern. It just hasn't been reached this level and just start dropping. This is really bad. I wouldn't even speaking about the completion of the COP, completion of this butterfly. This market just has collapsed. That also makes us think that the downward action has more chances to happen rather than upward continuation. That's why currently the primary pattern that we are watching for is a big butterfly. On hourly chart, it looks in this way. So 127 extension of the butterfly stands around 23.24. 1618 stands around precisely 20,000 level. That's widely expected by the market society. So let's take a look. Let's take a look for extension 1618. Slightly above 2150. Well, so that's actually our view currently on the market. We are not suggesting to consider to take any long positions by far, because actually market shows no bullish signs. So maybe we are wrong, but before taking the position, we need to get the confidence, we need to get the signs, we need to get the context for taking a long position, but currently we do not see it. That's why if we will get it, we of course will change our opinion, but currently we do not consider taking any long position by far.